Let me show you how to edit a template. First, let's go straight to our Bigly Pages template section and select a blank template. You can choose the device type. We'll choose one for cell phones. Click the plus button and pick the layout you prefer. Here you can change images in any section. We'll select the company name under our browser. Choose the type of columns and set the background color for that specific section. You can also add components. We'll split the sheet into 2 columns and add another component. This time, it will be text. Change the text type to whatever you prefer. Next, add another text element for the body of the page. You can create space using the container padding section. We'll also change the background and colors here. Then, with the plus button, you can add sections, either something pre-made or from scratch. Click Add Component and add an image. If you don't have any images in your browser, just type what you're looking for, and our AI will provide you with some options. You can adjust the size as needed. In just a few simple steps, you can change your content or ask AI to write it for you. This is how your website will look. And right here in the template section, you'll find it available for any edits or to make it public. Now that you know how to easily customize your templates, you're ready to create a website that perfectly represents your brand. Dive in, start editing, and watch your vision come to life.